Welcome to the 11 days of Photoshop tutorial, day number 6. Let's start. So we are starting from the clone tool. Will be like same like what we are using for the healing brush tool. So clone tool is also same like that, but the detail what we are getting is different. So clone tool will be like long press on the alt if I am targeting on this object, and you can simply click and drag will be like the complete detail you will get. But the difference is actually if you are using the same thing by using the healing brush tool, that will not be that much accurate. So the detail will be like completely different. So you can use the clone tool for duplicating things from areas to another area, and also healing tool is actually completely removing what you don't need. But sometimes you may face some issues in that. By going to the clone tool, you can directly long press on the alt and you can select. When you drag like this, that will be like you can see some area around this, and also we cannot move this subject, which is when you click on the move tool and move only this particular portion will not be moving. In that case, by clicking on the clone tool, long pressing on the alt and targeting one point, make a new layer, and when you click and drag will be like the same thing. So new layer comes with nothing inside, but we are giving that a function. So after this, when you are going to the move tool, you can move it to anywhere, that's because of the new layer. So that's the end of the day number 6. See you in the next video. Follow us for more.